Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
And the past few days I've been thinking about and reflecting on this year, what I have done, what I have gone through, what have I accomplished this year. And one of the greatest things that I've done, one of the best decisions, like I've said in previous videos, is that I became a Muslim. Earlier this year, in March, I converted to become a Muslim, and I still remember how that day felt like, and that day means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. It is not only the day that I became a Muslim, it is the day that, all the challenges in the journey towards Islam, my journey towards Islam wasn't a very easy one. It wasn't also a super difficult one, but it just wasn't easy, right? There were definitely challenges and obstacles along the way, and all of that, all of the things that I've gone through, it is all just for that day. It is for that moment where I do my Shahada. And it is just a feeling of relief, I guess, that I will never forget. I felt relieved because, all the challenges and everything that you have prepared for, right? Everything that I've done, it is all just for that moment. And it is, when it is finally done, it just feels like what you have been preparing for so long, it is finally done. It's like preparing for, I don't know, one of your biggest exams in your life. You have been studying for the paper for so long, and then you finally go and take the paper, and then it is over. You finally feel relieved that, you have completed the exam papers, right? And it is somewhat, I guess, a similar feeling, because there were definitely challenges along the way, right? I remember last year when I told my mom in 2019, the middle of 2019, that I'm going to become a Muslim. There were definitely disagreements along the way, right? There were definitely arguments with my decision. I told her that I'm going to learn about Islam, and I'm going to go for classes soon, and once I finish the classes, then I will become a Muslim. And there is just challenges like these, right? It is hard, to even tell my mom that I'm going to become a Muslim, right? It is even hard to say that, oh, I'm going to become a Muslim. It is just hard. It is not easy to do, right? And not only that, there were disagreements and arguments, like I mentioned, and not only just with parents, right? There were things that, Muslim converts have to give up, on their journey to Islam, be it, is it friendship or other things in their life that they used to enjoy or they used to do but they can't do anymore, restricting things in their life and then adding things that they didn't used to do to their new life. And it is definitely not an easy one. It is a journey that I will never forget, but no matter how tough it is, right? No matter how hard it is definitely worth it. And this is why I want to make this video. There's two reasons why I want to make this video. The first one is for all the Muslims and born Muslims out there, right, who are already Muslims, because I see that there is a lot of people, commenting on other YouTubers and other people and other Muslim converts on their YouTube comments or their Instagram posts, telling them that they shouldn't do this, they shouldn't do that, they shouldn't do this, telling them what they should not do and criticizing them for what they have done in their videos. But Alhamdulillah, that I have a great group of viewers and supporters, so I thank you very much to all of you, and very thankful to Allah for giving me great viewers. But there is a lot of like negative comments and criticism on other Muslim converts, right? And I just want to say, to those people who are criticizing them, you don't know what they have given up in their journey towards Islam, you know. You don't know what they have gone through. You don't know what are the challenges that they have to go through. You know, there's many challenges that I have to go through. That's why I know, right? It is not easy. It is not easy, you know. Imagine living your life 20 years, 25 years, right? On a different set of rules. You have lived your life differently. And then overnight, you expect them to change. That's not possible, right? Give them time, right? Give them time to change and improve their life. Give them time to become a better Muslim, right? Things just don't happen overnight, right? Be appreciative of them. You know, they have gone through many tough things. They have had to go through and make many tough decisions, you know, with their parents, with their friends, you know, losing friends along the way, you know, getting judged by people, changing the way that they live their life. It takes time, and so be appreciative of your Muslim brothers and sisters, your new Muslim convert brothers and sisters, right? This is one of the main reasons why I'm making this video, right? You know, after thinking about all the things and reflecting on this year, I think I should add a positive message, you know, with every video, and positive values to every video that I make. I'll try my best to, inshallah. And I think this is a message for this video, right? Be appreciative of people who give up many things. You know, you don't know what they have to give up, right? Again, to accept Islam. So be appreciative of them. Don't criticize them, right? If you want to do it, you know, do it in a nicer way, right? Do it in a nicer way. Maybe you can direct message them, right? Instead of publicly and openly commenting on their YouTube videos. And the second reason why I want to make this video is to let all the future Muslim converts know that, you know, whatever challenges that you face on your journey, right? Whatever challenges that you face, right? It is going to be worth it. It is going to be worth it. You know, it might not trust me now, but until you experience it, then you'll trust me, right? It is worth it. The feeling of peace, the feeling of finding out the true religion, finding out your creator, finding and, you know, knowing, getting to know Allah and His teachings and His words. It is like a feeling that I cannot describe, but I can tell you that it is definitely worth it. But whatever difficulties that you are going through in your journey, whatever difficulties that you have in your journey, right? Reach out to people around you. Reach out to people around you. Or just ask around, you know, ask fellow Muslim brothers or sisters, or ask an Islamic teacher, you know, for advice, right? I'm sure that they will give you good advice, and this is definitely going to be worth it. And so that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed listening to my story and my sharing. I hope that all of you can benefit from this video. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like the video, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications. I will see all of you in my next video, inshallah. And also feel free to leave your comments down below, letting me know what you think, and it will be helpful for you guys to share this video with your friends and families. I look forward to seeing all of you in my next video, inshallah. I hope that all of you have a nice day. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
जी खुशामदीद दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो आपने पूरी देखी होगी और आपको पसंद भी आई होगी। मेरे भाइयों दोस्तों, इस्लाम एक ऐसा मज़हब है जो आपके लिए मुकम्मल ज़ाबिते हयात है। अगर कोई बंदा इस्लाम से नावाकिफ़ हो, किसी दूसरे मज़हब का फॉलोअर हो, या हिंदू हो, या जो है ना यहूदी हो, या ईसाई हो, या किसी दूसरे मज़हब से ताल्लुक़ रखता हो, वो अगर इस्लाम से वाकिफ़ नहीं, तो वो जब भी इस्लाम के बारे में सुनेगा उसको अजीब लगेगा। और ये बात आप हमेशा याद रखो कि जब भी कोई सही बात आपको कोई बताता है या आपको कोई सही बात लगने लगती है, तो आपके बदन पर बाल वगैरह खड़े हो जाते हैं। तो बिल्कुल यही मसला इस्लाम में भी है। जब भी आप इस्लाम के बारे में सुनते हैं या इस्लाम के बारे में रिसर्च करते हैं, और जब आपको अंदाज़ा हो जाता है कि यह बात बिल्कुल सही है, अगर एक कुरान ने आपको एक बात बताई और 1400 साल बाद भी वो बात मौजूद हो, वो साबित हो, तो تو یہ یقیناً آپ کے لیے قابل فخر بات ہے، اور یہی سب سے بڑی دلیل ہے اس کے بارے میں کہ یہ قرآن حق ہے اور اسلام جو ہے نا وہ سچا دین ہے۔ ویڈیو میں آپ نے دیکھا کہ بھائی کس طرح 2020 میں حالات سے متاثر ہو کر پھر مسلمان ہوا، اور پھر مسلمان ہونے کے ساتھ ساتھ کیسے اس کی زندگی بدل گئی۔ میرے بھائیو دوستو، اسلام قبول کرنا اور کسی بندے کو ہدایت مل جانا، یہ سب کے سب اللہ تعالیٰ کے ہاتھ میں ہے۔ قرآن میں اللہ تعالیٰ فرماتے ہیں اِنَّكَ لَا تَهْدِي مَنْ أَحْبَبْتَ وَلَكِنَّ اللَّهَ يَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ، کہ اے پیغمبر ہدایت آپ کے ہاتھ میں نہیں، اگر کوئی آپ کو پسند ہو تو آپ اس کو ہدایت دے دیں، نہیں، بلکہ اللہ تعالیٰ جس کو چاہیے ہدایت دے دیتا ہے۔ تو میرے بھائیو دوستو، اللہ تعالیٰ نے اس امت کو بہترین امت قرار دے دیا۔ قرآن میں اللہ تعالیٰ فرماتے ہیں کنتم خیر امت اخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنہون عن المنکر، تم بہترین امت ہو، تم نیکی کا حکم دو گے اور برائی سے روکو گے۔ اسی لیے آج کل جو دعوت تبلیغ کے نام سے محنت ہو رہی ہے، پوری دنیا میں ممالک میں جماعتیں جا رہی ہے، اور الحمدللہ بہت سارے لوگ جو مسلم ممالک میں رہ رہے ہیں وہ مسلمان ہو کر اسلام میں داخل ہو رہے ہیں۔ تو اسلام میں داخل ہونا اور اسلام میں تیزی سے لوگوں کا آنا، جس طرح آج کل کے مغربی ممالک ہیں، امریکہ، یورپ، سویڈن، اس طرح بہت سارے ممالک ہیں جس میں مسلمان اکثریت کی تعداد میں آ رہے ہیں، غیر مسلم جو ہے نا وہاں سے نکل کر مسلم جماعتوں میں شامل ہو رہے ہیں۔ تو یہ اس بات کی دلیل ہے کہ اسلام ایک سچا مذہب ہے۔ اور جو کتاب ہمیں ملی ہے قرآن، تو قرآن کے بارے میں اللہ تعالیٰ فرماتے ہیں اِنَّا نَحْنُ نَزَّلْنَا الذِّكْرَ وَإِنَّا لَهُ لَحَافِظُونَ۔ یہ صرف ایک سٹوری ہے، یہ ایک ویڈیو آپ نے دیکھا، اسی طرح ہزاروں سٹوری ہمارے اس چینل پر موجود ہے، اور آپ خود بھی ریسرچ کریں اور دیکھیں کہ پوری دنیا سے کتنے لاکھوں لوگ جو ہے نا وہ ریورٹ ہو رہے ہیں، اپنے مذہب کو چھوڑ کر اسلام میں داخل ہو رہے ہیں۔ اور اسلام میں آنا یہ اس بات کی دلیل ہے کہ اسلام ایک سچا مذہب ہے، اور اسلام کے سوا کوئی دوسرا مذہب قابل قبول نہیں۔ اسی کے بارے میں اللہ تعالیٰ فرماتے ہیں ان الدین عند اللہ الاسلام، اللہ تعالیٰ کے نزدیک سب سے پسندیدہ مذہب وہ اسلام ہے۔ تو میرے بھائیو دوستو، آئیے ہم سب مل کر عہد کریں کہ اسلام کی خدمت کریں گے، اور یہ کوشش کریں گے کہ بہت ساری غیر مسلم لوگ، جس طرح یہ بھائی مسلمان ہوا، وہ لوگ بھی غیر مذہب کو چھوڑ کر اسلام میں داخل ہو جائے اور اسلام قبول کرنے والے بن جائے۔ امید کرتا ہوں ویڈیو آپ کو پسند آئی ہوگی۔ اگر ویڈیو آپ کو پسند آئی تو اس چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں۔ بہت شکریہ۔